Welcome to Acumatica, a connected workplace for your business. Acumatica can be accessed anywhere you have access to the internet, including laptops, mobile devices, or tablets. It's a completely web-based system, and you can use any internet browser to access the ERP. As a controller using Acumatica, I have access to a real-time dashboard where I can see the company's AR, AP, customer information such as credit holds, sales and purchase order information. Each one of these key performance indicators and charts allows me to drill down into the details behind it. For example, my AR aging is separated into buckets, and if I would like to see my 30 days of aging, I can drill down into that information. Each dashboard tile is powered by what we call a generic inquiry. Generic inquiry is a way for you to filter and analyze data in a way that makes sense for you as a controller. For example, here I'm seeing a customer summary. Perhaps I'm only interested in seeing the customers that have a balance of greater than $300,000. I can key in this information and hit OK, and I will immediately see my customer AR summary filtered down to that view. All financial and customer data is linked within Acumatica. I can drill into this customer's profile. We'll see all of the key information about this customer, such as addresses, billing and shipping information, multiple locations, and any associated actions that I may want to take with the customer, such as creating a payment on their behalf. Beyond dashboards and generic inquiries, Acumatica offers 250 standard reports out of the box, as well as report writers built into the system to allow you to create your own reports. I can select parameters such as financial periods or date ranges. You can see my report broken down into my different accounts, found with each quarter side by side. I can drill down into any of the blue hyperlinks on this screen, which takes me to the detailed account balances and sub-account balances. Acumatica offers sub-accounts for dimensional reporting so that you can tag your transactions based on departments, classes, locations, or other dimensions that make sense for your business. Reports within Acumatica can be exported to Excel if you're more comfortable doing your reporting there. They can be sent via email or grouped based on a number of unit sets. In my example, my profit and loss statement is broken out by companies and branches. Acumatica supports multiple companies, multiple branches, automated intercompany transactions, and multi-currency transactions. In this example, if I would like to see my profit and loss for one specific branch of the company, I can drill down into those details versus a consolidated version of this report. Acumatica is one inclusive, automated system to help you manage all financial aspects of your business, from banking through fixed assets, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and other critical business operations such as purchasing or inventory management. In the way of banking, Acumatica has automated banking features built directly into the ERP system, including bank feeds and bank reconciliation. You can see my bank feeds dashboard showing me any transactions that are waiting to be reviewed, that have been processed, as well as important expense receipt information. Here you can see that I have added a bank feed for Chase Bank. I can link different bank accounts, in my example, checking, savings, and a credit card. And you can also see that corporate credit cards can be tied into the bank feed process as well. Using the Process Bank Transactions screen, I've selected my company check account, account 10200, and I'm going to download my file from the bank. This feature automatically pulls in files using the bank feed transactions. I can then use Acumatica to auto-match my files. Acumatica takes care of the auto-match process for me, and I can now create payments directly from this screen and view my matches all in one place. Acumatica includes a series of processing screens to help you as a controller do your job faster and more efficiently. Let's take invoices on the AR side. If we are a business that processes shipments, an action that might be helpful for us is to take a look at all of the shipments that were prepared the day before and have all of the invoices that are ready to be created as a result generated in one place. This is an example of a processing screen that I can use to do that. Here I'm looking at all of the shipments that are ready to have invoices prepared for them. I can do this in a batch, if I have 2, 10, or 20 invoices that I would like to create here. But I can also put any of these processes on a schedule. In other words, I can actually create an execution schedule to say when I would like to perform a particular action. In my example with invoices, maybe I would like to create my invoices every day at 6 o'clock in the morning. This is one example of the automation that Acumatica can provide for you as a controller. Because of the cutting-edge technology platform that Acumatica provides, there is also artificial intelligence and machine learning that you can take advantage of as a controller. In the area of AP, you can use AP document recognition. Here I have dragged and dropped a file into my incoming document screen. I can use Acumatica to recognize the contents of this PDF bill. You can see that Acumatica performs the recognition process and identifies the different fields on the form, including the vendor, the dates such as the due date and the date of the bill, the total of the amount, as well as any line items that are included on the invoice. This allows as a controller to create this AP bill automatically. You do not need to key in any of this information. The system will take care of all of that for you. I can now go out and use an approval process as well as pay this bill when I'm ready to do so. To help you keep track of your fixed assets and to avoid the manual work typically associated with this process, Acumatica includes a fixed asset module where you can create your fixed assets and even convert them from purchases. Each asset can be associated with a class and type, as well as specific general ledger accounts. Acumatica will take care of the depreciation schedules for you, so that you can keep your depreciation directly on your books and set up multiple books if necessary. Acumatica also includes a financial period close process to help you reduce the time being spent releasing documents and closing the individual modules. You can select the periods that you're interested in closing, link directly to the unreleased documents in that specific period, and close the period when you're ready to do so. This is also a screen that can be scheduled, so keep in mind you can keep your financial periods on an automated schedule close if necessary. Acumatica is a powerhouse of business intelligence, key performance indicators, reports, and automated financial transactions for you as a controller. We hope you enjoyed this high-level overview of Acumatica through the eyes of a controller. If you have any questions, I encourage you to reach out to me directly. My name is Jessica Gadbois, and I'm the Acumatica Practice Director here at Synergy Resources. My email address is jgadbois, jgadbois, @synergyresources.net.